Welcome, my friends, to the bays at St. Louis. I have something special to show you today. There's a unique issue when setting up this location. It did not have a triple basin, and if you are in the car wash or detailing business, you know that you have to dispose of your dirty water. Not having a triple basin was the challenge, but that challenge is solved with ParrWash. ParrWash is a triple basin alternative. So ParrWash actually came to set up this entire system, and what they do is they help you design a perimeter. So what we have here is we have nice raised deck flooring so everything can flow, but this concrete here was actually taken down and resurfaced so all the water could drain to one area. And now what they do is build a perimeter on the outside, and it holds in all the water. At certain points where the water is going to pool up, they put a vent where all the water can come in, and it actually gets vacuumed into a machine that's actually going to go through a system of chambers, clean the water before it goes back into the city sewer. So what we see on the outside here is we have a perimeter, and everything that is done within this perimeter as far as washing goes, it drains to the outside, and it literally vacuums it up and it brings it to the machine, which we're going to show you in a second. And this is the heart of the entire system. So washing your car, getting everything off of it, you're using soap and chemicals. In order to satisfy the city ordinances, you have to make sure that you have clean water going into the drain system. So you're washing, all this water is spread on the floor, and then this system actually sucks up the water with a vacuum, and it comes into the heart of the system, which is right here. So the water actually fills up in this 10-gallon chamber. After this tank is filled up, it goes through a series of chambers here, which cleans the water in order for the water to be discharged into the city sewer. It needs to go through here. It goes through a membrane, it goes through a chemical wash and everything. It gets pumped back into the sewer, and in order to satisfy the municipalities with having clean water going into the sewer system, this is the machine that it goes through. ParrWash is unique in that they have created a system where you do not have to dig into the concrete and put everything in there, because they actually stand by this. For 1 year, if you do not pass any type of inspection through dirty water, they will buy back the system from you. So if you're looking at a location, a lot of times when we're looking, we cross out a lot of the facilities that don't have a triple basin. Now this opens up a lot more opportunities for you, because you have an opportunity to install a system like this where it will literally take up all that dirty water, do all its magic, and then send it into the sewer system, and you won't have any worries about any city ordinances or delivering dirty water into the sewer system. Pretty cool. On the outside here, literally just press the button. When you press this button, it turns on for about 15 minutes, sucks up all the water. As soon as it's done and it's not sensing any more water coming into the system, it'll automatically shut off. That's all it does, right? That's all it does. Okay.